From this video, you will get tips to prepare for H21282-V2.0- ENU HCSP-Presales-Service Version 2.0 exam. HCSP Presales-Service Version 2.0 certification. HCSP Presales-Service Version 2.0 exam information. Knowledge points. Top strategies. 1. What are the deliverables of the Digital Talent Consulting Service? A. Survey report. B. ICT Technical Position Competence Model. C. Learning map. D. All of the above. Answer: D. 2. Which of the following is the cloud-based tool delivery platform used for smart NOS delivery? AOWS. B. IMOC. C. eCare. D. Service Turbo Cloud. Answer: D. 3. Which of the following services can be sold to scenarios with data center, DC, network? A. Datacom Network Design and Implementation Service. BWLAN Planning and Design Service. C. Transmission and Access Design and Implementation Service. D. Wireless Network Planning, Design, and Implementation Service. Answer: A. 4. Which of the following is not one of the three major scenarios for the transport network reconstruction solution? A. Protection reconstruction. B. Capacity reconstruction. C. Fiber link reconstruction. D. Network element, NE, and topology reconstruction. Answer: C. 5. Which of the following is not included in the subcontracting of the DCL-1 project? A. Equipment room decoration. B. Power distribution system. C. Storage system. D. HVAC system. Answer: C. 6. Which of the following are covered by the field service? Multiple choice. A. Routine inspection. B. Response and support. C. Network evaluation. D. Daily monitoring. Answer: Abed. 7. Which of the following are included in the advanced technical support of smart NOS? Multiple choice. A. Software version management. B. EOX management. C. Configuration compliance check. D. Change support. Answer: A, B, C, D. 8. Which of the following services are provided by Transport Network Migration? Multiple choice. A. SDH Equipment Migration. B. WDM Equipment Migration. C. SDH Equipment Room Relocation. D. WDM Equipment Room Relocation. Answer: A, B, C, D. 9. What measures are implemented as part of the Pew Energy Saving Service? Multiple choice. A. Pew simulation. B. Pew calculation. C. Manual calibration. D. AL tuning. Answer. AD. 10. Which of the following are recommended to be provided locally by Huawei? Multiple choice. A. Civil engineering. B. Power access. C. Low voltage power distribution. D. Data center infrastructure management, DCIM. E. Water supply. Answer. AB. Subscribe and like past question.